come here before, like many years ago for shopping, but now, like all these shops, you can find them at all major shopping centres. It's a really nice strip where you can find like all the shops on one street, like major retailers. And I'll show you guys if I go past. I might actually go to the car park. There's I think there's Woolworths. Behind Woolworths, every Sunday they have like an antique auctions. I'm a little bit into antiques and stuff, like collectibles. Yeah, they have a really good auction on Sunday morning. So it starts early and it finishes at, I think it was 12 o'clock. Like by the afternoon. It starts at 7, finishes at 12, yeah. Like you'll see like thousands and thousands of people, the whole car park. I'll show you, like I'll go past it. So we're on Burke Road, Camberwell. The crust pizza here on the left. Yeah, you'll find a lot of the specialty shops here. A lot of coffee shops, like takeaway food shops, like Domino's, Wing Gourmet. Is that Chinese? That one. Got food. I think there's a burger shop down there. Smoke, hair and beauty, Thai massage. Yeah, lots of shops here. This is, I would say, one of the major like shopping strips in Melbourne. Maybe like top 5, top 10. Painting shop. Yeah, it goes for a while. Sam's Bar and Steak Grill. Tea House. There's a station here, Camberwell Station on the left. Look at Johnny's Ice Cream. I haven't seen the shop before. Self-fix. Grills, yeah, that's the one. Grills. Bond's Outlet. That's one of my shops, that one. Sophia Pizza Place. Yeah, lots of shops here. Ballet, phone repairs. We've gone past. There's a junction on the left. So I might need to go left. Camberwell Place. Yeah, I think I might have missed it. There's so many shops. It's on the left, yeah. You know what? I think, yeah, it's right there. I'll show you. I'll turn around. So we've got Westpac, Kathmandu, Seed, T2. Really nice around here. Mountains. Macpac. They have very good camping stuff on the left. Macpac. I'll go left. OTSM. Combank. Lots of shops here. Subway. Noodle. My garlic. Go left. Light and sound, Bang & Olufsen. That's like a top, one of the top speaker brands. Oh, no left turn, that's not nice. So I can't turn left on there. Oh, it's one way, so I have to go, I'll go from here. Chemist Warehouse, that's a big one that. We've got Camberwell Community Centre here. Office Works. Was it? I can't remember if I... Sorry. I wasn't sure if I go left. Yeah. I stuffed up. Okay. Have to make a good turn. Turn right from here. The car park for the central shopping centre. Really nice around here. People are friendly. Turn right. It's been a while since. Yeah, I think this is the car park. Let's see. Nice straight. I can go this way. They've got beautiful, nice coffee shops here. Very nice. It's like the back part of Burke Road. So what I like about Burke Road is, see these most of these shops that you see on Burke Road, they have double frontage, meaning they have like one entrance from the front and another like shop frontage from the back. The Macpac is the one that was just got price zone, so you can actually enter from here and come out from the other side. So you got Kmart on the right, Anytime Fitness. So which was it? This car park? I think it was this car park. Oh, here you going. Just a quick question. You know the market? Did they set up the market here?
This whole
thing, yeah. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, I thought so. So I just wanted to confirm, because it's been a few years since I've come for the antique stuff that I'm collecting. So I'm into like trading cars and like different unique collectibles and things like that. So this, yeah, a lot of shops here. So once again, this is the back part of Burke Road. So they have dual access or double access. So I've just confirmed with that gentleman that I'll let this guy go. This whole car parking area on Sunday, it becomes a market. Here you go. It becomes you can find clothes, books, antiques, collectibles, like used stuff, second-hand stuff, art. It's amazing. If you ever come, yeah, you can get out. I just left. Yeah, so this whole car park, it just turns into a massive. It's called Camberwell. I think it was it Trash and Treasure Market, I believe it was, or Sunday Market. Anyway, if you search it online, you'll find it. I actually know the organizer. I've spoken to him a few times. Really nice gentleman. He's an old man. It's very helpful. So if you want to, if you got something to sell or whatever. She's coming out. Okay. Yeah. I don't know what she was doing. She got stuck. She couldn't come out because there's a lot of traffic here. Yeah, you can just imagine how like you can just see how big the car park is. What I'll do, I'll show you this side too. It's really good. So because it's an outdoor market, you just have to be mindful that if it's raining, you have to bring your umbrella. Other than that, when it's a nice day, it's beautiful. And they have they set up like food trucks. If you want like donuts, you want fish and chips and things like that, it's very good. Come on, something like that. Very busy. Turn right, man. What's going on? Look how busy it is here. Yeah, just be patient. Oh, it's super busy today. Oh man, you just blocked the road. Hang on. Finally, thank God. So on the left, you have Woolworths. That's Camberwell Woolworths. Wait. So look how big the car park is, man. It's absolutely humongous. It's really good. Yeah, I just want to show you guys. I used to come here a lot. Got Camberwell Central on the left, Kmart on the left, and yeah. Okay, let's go to where we need to go to. Yeah, you can see it says home of the Sunday market. See the sign there? Home of the Sunday market. Absolutely bonkers, man. Can I go? I'll go left. Go left and then right. The Woolworths, Camberwell Central. Left turn, but I need to pull over. Got to punch in shop address. Go left. I'll go onto that street. Oh, it's a dead end, is it?